guys, welcome to the second vlog of Vlogoween. I just woke up from a nap, hence why my hair is messy. But today is still October 1st, and it is a full moon. It's actually a harvest moon, which is very important, mostly to farmers, but it's still really important. I'll put up on the screen what a harvest moon means. This October, there's going to be 2 dates for a 100% full moon today and Halloween/Samhain. But technically today, October 2nd and October 3rd is a full moon, so it is like a 3-day full moon. But tonight is the most powerful, so I'm going to take my self-love bath. I'm probably going to do a burn away banishing tomorrow, and I'm going to collect some moon water. So if you guys watched, I have a whole entire video of full moon rituals and explanations and everything like that. I will link up in the cards and down below if I remember to. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna go and do that. Well, that was nice and refreshing and stuff. I cannot wait. I'm going to be redoing my hair in hopefully within the next couple weeks. But next I'm going to be doing some stone cleansing my stones. Really great thing to do during a full moon. And then I'm going to put out and collect some full moon water, some harvest full moon water. And then evoke Selena, and I think that's just the rest of my night. Also started 31 Days of Horror today. Obviously, it's October 1st. If you guys don't know about 31 Days of Horror, I will link, it's too late now, but you guys know of 31 Days of Horror. So today I watched the movies Vulvarian. I gave it 3 out of 5 skulls because I enjoyed some of it and then I just didn't enjoy some of it. I'll go into further detail. And then I watched The Ritual, which I believe is a Netflix original. Don't quote me on that, but I believe so. And I gave that 4 out of 5 skulls. I really enjoyed it. It's really slow at the beginning and I was kind of really getting bored at first. But then once you get into it, a half an hour, 40 minutes, it starts getting a lot better. So I would recommend that. I just wish they would have done more with the end. I like the end, but I just wish we would have seen what happened after what happens in the end. So if you're into horror movies and you have Netflix, I would recommend that if you haven't seen it. Dedo. Hi. At least for the first movie of October 2nd. I don't know, I might watch another one. I probably will. But we're doing The Lords of Salem 5 out of 5 skulls. Obviously, I love it. You guys know I love Rob Zombie. Well, I love Sherry Moon Zombie a lot more, actually. I actually have a video planned for Vlogoween about Rob Zombie. Well, it has to do with Rob Zombie, and I'm gonna get a lot of hate, and not hate, but backlash AF. But if you guys remember my last Shop Miss A haul, I picked up these 2 empty spray bottles, one in like this lilac pink color and this other one in this like really cute minty green blue color. So I'm going to use this for cleansing, I believe. Just do a cleansing spray, and this for a calming spray. So I'm probably gonna do that today. Did the calming spray and the cleansing spray. I put those videos up on my Instagram, and I'll insert those in this video as well. But now it's cleanup time, and somebody has just been, sorry with the glare from the sun, just so naughty this morning. Hi, beautiful. Okay, stones are officially cleansed. So I'm going to take them out. I drained out the water, and now I'm just going to leave them out to dry off. So, there. Okay, so I know I mentioned this years ago, like early 2016, when people first started watching me and started pointing out, hey, why are you playing with your hair so much? So if you do not know this already, I suffer from acute anxiety disorder and panic disorder. With that comes a few nervous habits and tics that I am not aware of unless somebody is pointing it out to me. The worst being picking the skin off of my lips till they are bloody and raw, and I've had many infections come from that, and had to be put on antibiotics several times. Would not recommend at all. If I had a penny for every single time I've heard since I was 7 or 8 years old, BLAIZE, stop picking your lips, literal millionaire. But again, it was brought to my attention, girl, you are playing with your hair way too much, and you are like playing with your face a lot. And when I rewatched my last vlog, I noticed I was doing that a lot because I was having a ton of anxiety during filming that. You will see me doing this a lot in that video, and me doing this a lot. You'll see me doing this in almost all my videos. I play with my hair nervously, and I do touch my face and like pinch my face and just kind of like rub my face. I don't know consciously that I am doing it. It's just a nervous habit. I don't know unless I'm watching it back. I'm so sorry if it's annoying to some of you. It's annoying to me when I watch it back. Trust me, I'm like, girl, you were... Anyway, quick update before I end this vlog. This one was more of a witchy vlog than the last vlog. The last vlog, I told you I was in the middle of a very strong antibiotic, a very strong dose of a strong antibiotic, and that was making me horribly ill. I finished it a few days ago, and it didn't hit the infection. This is fine. It's fine. This is fine. So I spent about 4 hours this morning getting another very strong, very high dose antibiotic. Hopefully this one won't make me as sick. Hopefully. I do have like a couple of good things that have happened or whatever the past week and a half. Like 1 or 2 good things that I'll talk about in the next vlog. Because we gotta sprinkle a little bit of positive in the life of the world, because holy hell does it suck. They're making another Craft movie. And yes, I'm happy that it's not a remake like they originally were going to do. It is kind of like a sequel. I've watched the trailer. They used the quote, "We are the weirdos, mister." This is not okay. This is not okay. This is not fine. I'm not okay. Stop it. And yes, of course I'm gonna watch it. Not going to enjoy watching it, but I'm gonna do it. Anyway, that ends this witchy vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed some of it. I don't know what comes out of these anymore. I get some people who really enjoy it and not a lot of views on these videos, and that's okay. I don't make these videos for lots of views. This is just, it's my life. It's my thing. So for you guys who do stick around and watch it and learn things, and you know, it helps you guys enjoy it. Thank you. I'm currently waiting on a package, PR package from Juno & Co. Gonna hopefully get that within the next day or two or whatever. Well, it's a Saturday. But I'm gonna hopefully have at least one of those review videos out before this vlog. Possibly, probably, I don't know yet. Depends on when it gets here. So if you guys enjoyed this, I hope you guys did. Comment what you guys are doing for spooky October. What spooky movies have you guys watched so far? What would you recommend that I watch? Leave your comments and stuff down below. I love reading them and talking with you guys. And if you want more vlogs, witchy vlogs, makeup videos, weird videos, my rant that I'm going to be doing for Halloween time, I can hear the haters already. Most people are not gonna like this, you know, or agree with me. But guys, stay wicked. I love you, and blessed blee.